Mona Lisa.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akshita and today's video is going to be a get ready with me, plus I'm going to test out some new products which I bought from Nykaa. Oh my god, I haven't done a sit down makeup video since a very long time, and I'm glad I did it today because I had to test them. So I thought ki video bana lete hain. So yeah, that's going to be it, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's begin with the video. So I have nothing on my skin. I have not done my skincare because I wanted to shoot this video. So let's just start with the first product. This is the Clinique All About Clean Liquid Facial Soap, and this is in mild. So they have 3 to 4 types of this cleanser, and they have like for 3 skin types. First one is extra mild, so the second one is mild, and the third one is oily. So mild one is for dry combination skin type 2, which is my skin. My skin is a combination skin type, so this is perfect for me. And this is a new product. I'm going to test it out because I got this free with the Clinique Moisture Surge 100-hour moisturizer. So yeah, I think this is going to be a good cleanser, and let's just try this out. Moving on to the next product, it's my personal favorite. You know my love for Clinique moisturizers, so the Clinique Moisture Surge 72 hours, that's my favorite moisturizer, and it is a little bit expensive, I know, but if you can save some money and invest in this product, I am sure you won't regret it and you will love this product. So now they have upgraded that product, and now it is 100-hour auto replenishing hydrator. It's the same thing, but I think they have upgraded a bit. So this gives intense moisturizer to your face. It's like the best moisturizer I have used till now. So this moisturizer is allergy tested and it is 100% fragrance free. Plus it is a gel cream texture, which I love a lot. It absorbs into my skin very quickly. So you can use this as a moisturizer, or you can use this under makeup also. And you can use this as a night mask, like you can apply a thick layer of this as a mask when you sleep, like for your skincare routine, nighttime skincare routine. And this product is a sustainable product. I highly recommend this product because this is best product of Clinique. Like बाकी के products मुझे इतना नहीं पता, but this is their best seller and the best product, so just check it out. So I made a mistake. I should have applied the serum first and then the moisturizer, but it's okay. I want to show it to you guys. So this is the L'Oreal Revital Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is the new product in the market, and this has been hyped so much by the influencers. Plus I think this is a good product because सब लोग use कर रहे, try कर रहे, उनको results अच्छे आ रहे. So even I wanted to try this product, so that's why I've bought it and I'm gonna try this. इसलिए मैंने छोटा packaging order किया. I didn't order the big one. If I like it, then only I'll buy the big one. Otherwise, I'll just finish off this one. So this product promises to give your skin like an extra hydration. Plus it will make your skin look radiant, and it is suitable for all skin types, so that's a very good thing for all, like dry, normal, combination skin, oily skin. So this is a lightweight serum and it is not sticky, and it is paraben free, alcohol free, so that's a good thing, even fragrance free. So I'm gonna test this today and let's see. I've taken 5 drops, and you can use this on daily basis, like 2 times a day, in the morning and at night as well. I think my makeup is going to look flawless because I've done such a good like skincare before doing my makeup. So yeah. So the second last and the last product, this is a mascara and this is an eyeliner. So this mascara is from L'Oreal and this one is the Voluminous Lash Paradise waterproof mascaras. You know my love for Maybelline mascaras. I've always owned only Maybelline mascaras, but I wanted to try a new mascara for a very long time. So I saw this, like many influencers use this mascara, so I wanted to give this a try, and I'm going to do the makeup today. So this is going to be the mascara which I'm going to use, and this is a eyeliner which is a black eyeliner from Elf Cosmetics. So this is a drugstore product, affordable product, but I think इतने छोटे पैकेज में बहुत कम eyeliner है, and it is for 399 rupees. So I think it is not that affordable जितना वो लोग बोल रहे हैं. So this is jet black, and I'm going to use this eyeliner today for my makeup. So for the eyes, I'm going to take Rose Gold Remastered eyeshadow palette. This is Huda Beauty's eyeshadow palette. Recently got this from Nykaa and I'm loving this palette so much. I've been using this palette in my recent videos, like every videos you will find this palette. So these are the beautiful shades and they're highly pigmented. So our makeup is almost done, only the lipstick is left. So this is a lipstick from Nykaa which I recently bought. मतलब आज ये वाले पैकेजिंग के साथ नहीं आया था, पहले आया था. So even this is the new lipstick. I used this in 1 or 2 videos for my Instagram. So I don't know the exact name of this lipstick, but it says Basic 03. The shade is 03 and it is like a brown shade. I wanted the brown shade and the wand is exactly like Smashbox. So yeah. So this is the completed look. I hope you all liked it, and if you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and comment down below कि कैसा लगा मेरा look and the products which I suggested and recommended. आप लोग उस products के बारे में क्या सोचते हो? If you already have those products, then just let me know your experience, and if you want to try new products, so you can just go on Nykaa or somewhere, Amazon or somewhere, and you can buy those. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.